everyone. I'm Mary Thomas.
And I'm Stephanie Thomas.
And we're the Sales Tax Sisters. We just did a reminder about filing those yearly returns. We're going to give you a short little refresher about what's taxable sales versus total sales and taxable purchases. Very short and succinct, just to help you with that return. Total sales are
all the sales that you have made from your Texas location. And if you are fortunate enough to have, say, multiple locations in different states, all of those sales that went to Texas customers.
So you're going to leave out California sales if you had sales to California in that total sales number that's going to Texas. And these concepts are concepts that you can apply to any state. Now, so you got total sales, you've got taxable sales. What's the difference between total and taxable sales?
The difference between total sales and taxable sales are if you have, sometimes you'll have sales to exempt customers, exempt organizations, charities, educational organizations, religious organizations. The people who are exempt by statute, that they fall under the category of exempt sales. So those sales to those organizations are not taxable. So they're not included in the taxable sales number. Also, if you have sales to customers who are located out of state, say you are in Texas and you have a sale to a California customer, then you're not going to be charging them Texas tax. That's an out-of-state sale. So they fall under the category of exempt sale as well. So you're not going to include them in your taxable sale number. So there are reasons why your total sales number and your taxable sales number may not equal. The important thing for you to know is that you have to be able to substantiate why they do not equal. And then also, the other thing is sales for resale. Those are not included in the taxable sales number either if that purchaser has given you the appropriate documentation stating that it is a sale for resale, namely a resale certificate.
And you are responsible for knowing what things just aren't taxable because they aren't taxable.
Exactly.
In Texas, one thing is water.
Yes.
Doesn't matter who's buying it. It's not taxable.
Yes.
It's not subject to sales or use tax. So that takes care of total sales and taxable sales. Taxable purchases is when you buy something that is taxable and for whatever reason, your vendor doesn't charge you tax, but you used it here. You have to remit it yourself on your sales and use tax return.
And you remit it in the taxable purchases section of the return, which is line number 3. An example of that is if you are purchasing something from an out-of-state vendor, they don't charge any Texas tax. It's a taxable item. You have to accrue use tax and remit it in on your Texas sales and use tax return.
So what we're going to do is we're going to link the videos that explain these different concepts. They're our most popular videos. We're going to explain this via those videos. This is just a little short to kind of get you started. Get that return filed.
Exactly.
See you on the flip side.